Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper on it's Thursday, October the 8th, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and that's a medium Sudoku. There's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus with 7 extra Sudokus. There are a lot of Sudokus every day, and I need some spare time for myself, and it's driving me crazy because I want to upload them all, but I think I need to reduce some Sudokus. So I've decided to do this this Saturday. This Saturday I will reduce. So the last quintuplet, I will upload it, and then I will skip some Sudokus. I think I will skip the 1 star, 2 stars. I will do the 3 stars, 4 stars. And I think I do a tectonic and a binary. So I need to skip some Sudokus because there are a lot. So I don't think I need to do them all. Anyway, this one is a regular Sudoku. Regular Sudokus I will always do solve them, so no problem. And this one will be number 17, 15. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. I already have counted. There are 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. How about, let me see which number I can use. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Alright. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then in the first column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 here. Here 3, no 3 there. Here also a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number? The number. Let me see. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. Then. I cannot continue with the 2. How about the number? 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. Then. These 2 numbers in this big square. Are we sure? For the numbers 5 and 7, let me mark them for you. It's a pair within a big square. Those 2 numbers, those 2 empty boxes in the last column. Are we sure? For the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4, we see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for 4 should be here. Oh, there we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for 4 should be here. Or there, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 here. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, alright. How about the 9 in the first row, a 9 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. There are 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. Then. And then. I need to wait for the 9. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the second row. So in the row above, the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3. 3. Then, two numbers left in the first column. Those two numbers are the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 7. Then. Let me see the 3 again. No, 3 we have here. 3, 3. No, I cannot. These two numbers in this column. The 8 and the 5 are missing. 8 and the 5 in this column. Well, we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then 5 in this column, 5 in the last column. So the column between the only two places for 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 8 and the 3. Let me mark them. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So we have an 8 in this row, one of these two boxes. And I see here 2 boxes are left in this big square, the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7 is missing. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 9, I think. Yes, 9 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this middle row for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the last final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time with the additional with extra Sudokus. So see you soon. Bye bye for now.